Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to study biology by Tarun Sir. Start by organizing topics into clear modules and set realistic daily goals. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and concise notes to build long-term memory. Focus on diagrams, experiments, and core definitions before moving to details. Practice with past papers and explain concepts aloud as if teaching a class. Adjust pace based on weak areas and reward progress with short breaks. Create a weekly plan that balances reading, notes, and revision. Begin with high-level concepts and then dive into mechanisms and pathways. Use flashcards and diagrams to test understanding and identify gaps. Schedule active recall sessions and spaced reviews to reinforce memory. Join study groups to explain ideas and encounter new questions. Track mistakes and revisit weak topics with targeted practice problems and short tests. Keep consistent timing and avoid cramming late at night. Adopt active study techniques that promote deep learning. Teach topics aloud, draw labeled diagrams, and create concept maps. Solve varied problems and simulate exam conditions regularly. Convert passive notes into questions and quiz yourself daily. Use mnemonics for sequences and relate facts to real-world examples. Balance memorization with understanding experimental design and data interpretation. Prioritize a few core chapters each week and use timed self-tests to build speed and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.